Okay, in this video, I want to continue to walk you through the mechanics of creating an XBRL report. This video assumes that you've watched the accounting equation and you basically watched concepts being entered into this tool, this Luca tool. I'll make that a little bit easier now. You can still key things in that way, but it's a lot easier to just copy and paste from Excel or import. That's where this is going, but I don't have that implemented yet, but I'm going to show you how this can work. So here again, we're going to create the SFAC 6 representation in XBRL. We want to clear all this stuff out, which I've done. I'll do it again. Clear out the model, clear out the report. We want to start editing. We start with the base information. I've already filled this in. Pretty straightforward stuff. Now we want to go through and enter all of these things. So we're going to start with terms. And I'm going to go into this Excel spreadsheet that has all of these terms. So you can get this Excel spreadsheet from the Luca webpage. I'm going to simply Control C. And you see this line, the dotted line moving around. Then I'm going to go back into the Luca application. Control V. And now I have all these terms in the Luca application. So I'm going to close the terms, go to labels, to the Excel spreadsheet, to the labels, back to the Luca application, paste the labels, close that. Go to the structures. We have the three structures of the accounting of SFAC 6: balance sheet, comprehensive income, and changes in equity. We go to the Luca application, structures, paste those. Go to the associations, highlight all those, copy. Go back to the Luca application, associations, paste those. Pretty straightforward stuff. So this, I think this will work. Here we have to do another step. So here are the three rules. One for the balance sheet, income statement, comprehensive income. I'm sorry, balance sheet, comprehensive income, and changes in equity. We go into the Luca application, rules, consistency. Let me see this. Yeah, I think this will work. Okay, so the rules are in. I do have to go and put these variables in because that does not, this is basically two related tables and we don't have that implemented yet. So we just do it this way, just not that hard. Revenues. What I'm doing is I'm simply putting these variables, connecting them to the concepts in the taxonomy by using exactly the same name. Okay, so that's that. Oops, one more. Equity, comprehensive income, investments by owners, Distributions to owners. Okay, that's everything. Now get to the facts. Okay, you have to remember to press this save button. Okay. Then everything's in the report. Now, the way you can use these Excel spreadsheets is you can look and see what the information has to look like. You can, use the manual entry mechanism as long as you need to, just to get comfortable understanding what goes in each field and putting things in. And then once you're comfortable with that, copying and pasting is a lot easier. So then we go save as XBRL, go to this subdirectory, save the files, save successfully. So these are all the files that were created. There's the instance. You have to validate this. So Luca doesn't have a validation feature, but SFAC does. So we're going to open the document in SFAC. And there you see what you entered in the form of a report. So this is dynamic, so you can change these dimensions around. There's the model, the fact table, and I'm going to be getting into this stuff more in the intermediate tutorials. But I think I'm going to stop there. That's pretty much it. And again, one thing I want to point out. So the Luca application is one application. The SFAC application is a different application. And these different XBRL validators are yet different applications. And they all work with the same standard XBRL syntax. So I'm going to stop there.